mysterious and surprising.
Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going over my $700 PC build.
What's around the next corner.
Alright, let's jump into it. For my CPU, I'm rocking a Ryzen 5 2600X with a Asrock B450M motherboard. For my graphics card, I have an XFX RX580. I'm running 2 sticks of 8GB DDR4 RAM from G-Skill's Ripjaws V. For my power supply, I went with Gamdias Kratos M1 600W. In terms of storage, I have a 1TB hard drive by Barracuda and a 240GB SSD from Kingston. Finally, for the PC case, I went with the new Thermaltake V250 ARGB mid-tower case. I'll be putting everything together. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys what kind of performance I'm getting from it. The first game we're covering is Apex Legends in mid to high settings. I'll be using Bloodhound for this video. The reason I chose Bloodhound was because I wanted to highlight the fluctuations in frames when using Beast of the Hunt. This is usually when players experience a drop in frames, so this is how it went.
I bathe in the blood. Enemy killed. Reloading. Lucky us, we're with the new kill leader. Recharging.
As you saw, we experienced a drop in frames to the mid-60s, definitely not bad at all. Overall, very playable with FPS going over 100 while roaming the map, and averaging about 90 frames per second throughout the game. Next up, we're playing Fortnite. For this clip, we're running the high preset settings. I'll be engaging in some mild building and gunfights. I'll then share the kind of performance I'm getting.
You how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they make that.
Throughout the game, we were able to get 90 to 100 FPS on high settings. If you, however, change your settings to medium, your frames jump to an average of 120 FPS. So far, very happy with the performance I'm seeing. The last game we're reviewing is Warzone. I'll be running high settings in these clips.
I'm here. Get ready to move.
Finally, with Warzone, we got to average 70 to 80 FPS. I actually attempted to overclock my PC to test the performance. My frames jumped up all the way around 120 to 130 FPS on average. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning into my channel. If this video was helpful, go ahead and smash the like button. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I'd be happy to respond to them. Take care, guys. Peace.